Hello, everybody. This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hi, it's nice to talk with you again.
Well, it's nice to talk to you. And Sarah, that being said, what's happening in our libraries?
Well, I have my list of 3 today, and this first one is kind of making me laugh a little bit. It's called the AtoZ World Food Tour, and since Thanksgiving was just not that long ago, I kind of already feel like I was on a food tour. But this is actually a resource that we offer through the library, and as the name suggests, it provides foods, recipes, ingredients, a background of the significance of dishes, special occasion dishes for 174 different countries. So if you
Wow.
are a foodie by any means, this is going to be a fantastic resource that you'll really enjoy. And our San Luis library is hosting the tour of the World Food. That's taking place this Tuesday at 5:15. They are going to show you just the basics of how to use the resource, and it's a lot of fun. You can really go down a lot of rabbit holes and print a lot of recipes that you may or may not ever make, but looking's half the fun. So that's taking place at the San Luis Library this Tuesday at 5:15.
Well, food can be an adventure.
Truly, as we have seen with some of those television shows where people will try anything and everything.
All right, Sarah. What else you got for us?
Well, coming up this Saturday, again with food, at our Heritage Library, they have hosted a really successful series about gardening here in Yuma and growing things like citrus and things that you can really take advantage of all year long because of Yuma's growing seasons. Well, this week they're actually going to be talking about growing bananas in Yuma, which I did not know was a thing until the Heritage Library sent me this information. So apparently you can grow bananas in Yuma. So they are going to be talking about that and then give people a chance just to talk about what they're growing in their different gardens or maybe what they've tried to grow. It's as I said, a program that's really gaining popularity, and people who come are just really interested in what they can grow and trying different things. So it's a great opportunity to meet people that have that same interest as you.
Oh, absolutely. Like minds can do cool things.
Yes, lots of good tips. Last but not least, this is actually taking place next week, but I want to give people a heads up. We've talked a little bit about the exhibit that the main library is going to be hosting. It's called Exploring Human Origins. It's a Smithsonian traveling exhibit that the library was fortunate enough to win an opportunity to host. We submitted a grant application that was approved. So that exhibit, the grand opening, will be Monday, December 4th from 4 to 6 p.m. And we'll actually have a few speakers from the Smithsonian throughout December. I know we have one that's giving 2 talks that day on the 4th, but there's also several programs coming up. So if you can't join us for the grand opening on the 4th, there are many opportunities to learn more about this exhibit as well as visit it. It will be at the main library through January 15th, 2024. There's no charge to view the exhibit. It's available during library open hours, but I really encourage you visit our website, yumalibrary.org, and take a look at all the related programming that's happening along with the exhibit. We've got some terrific speakers lined up. There's activities for kids. It's going to be really fantastic to have this exhibit and the programming that goes with it.
Well, kudos to your grant writers for making this a reality.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, Sarah, thank you. Everybody, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support reading, readers, book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.